Good day, everybody. Thank you for joining Little Urban Apothecary's video on how to make the antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, antimicrobial 5 Thieves oil. So I called mine 5 Thieves, and it's actually a blend of 5 different essential oils. So as we're working through this video, I will share with you links to where I buy my oils, and also will provide you today with a free recipe on how you can make your own. So this oil is great for diffusers. You would just make your bottle. Today we're going to make a 30 ml size, this size, and you would just put half a dozen, between 6 and 8 drops in your diffuser. And what will happen is, with the properties, the medicinal properties of the essential oils that I'm going to show to you, it will help kill any little yuckies that are in the air, especially if you've had, most recently have had people over. This will kill the germs in the air while you're diffusing it. So as well, another great benefit of this oil, you can, if you wish, just be very careful, take a carrier oil like a coconut oil or sweet almond oil, really any kind of oil that you have. You could even use olive oil or sunflower oil, and just add a few drops to an oil, and just put, you know, like a little quarter size on the palm of your hand, rub it together, and that will help kill the germs off of your hands. Or if you want to even add it to, if you have like an unscented soap, you can add some drops. I would put probably 10 drops of this blend in your soap as well, to make it an antibacterial type soap. So given everything that's going on these days, we need to take extra precaution in making sure that we eliminate germs and viruses and all that nasty stuff on our own, in our home, and in our car and things like that. So, okay, so what we're going to mix, I'm going to mix together. I'm actually going to make a batch that will fill 3 30 ml, but I will share with you just the combination to make your own 30 ml size. So what we're going to start with, we're going to start with clove bud oil, and we're going to add 1 1/4 teaspoons of clove bud oil. And I have this cute little spouted pitcher that I mix my oils in. So 1 1/4 teaspoon. So that equals 150 drops of clove bud oil. Just in case you don't have little measuring spoons like I have here, you can just drop in 150 drops of clove bud oil. Next, we're going to add our cinnamon bark. We're going to add in 100 drops of cinnamon bark, or like I like to do is I add in 1 complete teaspoon of cinnamon. You can just simply add your drops in this way, as many as I had said, but I find it just simple for me. It's quicker, especially where I make large quantities of it and sell it in my business. So, okay, so there's that. The next one we're going to put in is rosemary. Rosemary essential oil. And for this rosemary, we're going to put in just 1/4 teaspoon. So just in case you're joining, let me reiterate. For your blend that you're going to make in your 30 ml size bottle, you're going to add in 150 drops of clove bud. You're going to add in 100 drops of cinnamon bark. You're going to add in 50 drops of rosemary, 125 drops of lemon oil, and 100 drops of eucalyptus. So from a lemon oil perspective, we're going to add in, to make 125 drops, we're going to use 1 teaspoon. This has got to be one of my most favorite oils. I use it in a lot of my products. So I'm just going to simply add in a teaspoon. Make sure you have gloves on as well. And then eucalyptus. So I'm going to add in a teaspoon of eucalyptus. So now that I'm done, I'm going to mix it all up. And I have this cute little funnel that has come in packages of essential oil bottles that I've bought in the past. And sometimes they put these little freebie guys in, which is great. You can just reuse, sanitize them. So I'm going to mix my oils up, make sure all the oils are mixed together. And now, I'm going to take one of these lovely little bottles, and I have one of my Five Thieves labels on in my specialty ribbon. It's kind of my signature thing, is to have paper ribbon on my product. And I'm actually going to, put the little funnel in. And if you don't have a funnel, I actually use, when I make bigger quantities, I have this cute little, I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's a long spouted, thin spouted funnel, and I pour my oils in there and then simply go like that so you don't spill any. And I'm actually going to try that right now. So just be careful when you go to pour it in the funnel. Just lift the funnel up a little bit from the bottle so it doesn't create kind of a vacuum where you're pouring the oils in but they're not going into the bottle. And there we go. Ta-da, we got that done. So appreciate you liking and subscribing to my video. I try to post very often when I come up with new blends or want to try some blends of different stuff. My product work for the end of this month, the beginning of April, will be a product that I've come up with some essential oil blends to create that loving smell called Shampure. And if anybody's familiar with Shampure, they'll know what I'm talking about. So I will be, within the next week or two, posting my Shampure products that I will be making for my clients. And feel free, I usually share all of my recipes and how-tos and all that good stuff. So once again, please like my channel, and if you like this video, please like and leave a comment if you need additional information. So once again, just to recap again, you're going to need 150 drops of clove bud oil, 100 drops of cinnamon bark, 114 drops, 50 drops of rosemary, 125 drops of lemon essential oil, and 100 drops of eucalyptus essential oil. So this is all essential oil, no fragrant oils. Only essential oils have the medicinal properties that is required. Okay, so once again, thank you very much. And if you're interested in purchasing this product, I make it available on Amazon Canada, as well as Amazon US. I also have it in my Etsy store, which is Little Urban Shop. So please feel free to shop online to purchase those. I will put a link to my Amazon in the description, as well as the directions on how to make this 5 Thieves oil given the current climate that we're under. Thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned for more.